We're going off-road, way back off the highway.
What's up, guys? Help us reach our goal of 500 subs by hitting that subscribe button, notification bell, like, comment, and share.
What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
Today we are going to try to find out the ancient question that's been bothering man since the dawn of time. And that is, will JB Weld fix a crack in a radiator?
Will it hold up? We don't
These
know.
answers and more will be answered on today's episode. Alright guys, so if you watched the video where we went off-road last, we thought we blew the head gasket. I don't know why it wouldn't start. I guess some shit got wet. Anyway, it starts up, but we do have a crack in the radiator. You probably can't see, but it's right here on the side. And we're going to fix it with JB Weld.
Yes, you definitely need a tie down too.
Yeah, I actually have a Panduit big ass tie wrap at home, and I left it. But before we go off-road again, we will be tying down the battery, because I believe it's knocked the radiator. I believe it knocked a hole in the radiator because it bounces around so much, and I'm an idiot for not tying it down. But anyway, first thing we got to do is we need to take this top plate off so we can get to the radiator. Let's do that. Alright guys, don't forget we got a contest going on where you can win a Jeep painting and t-shirt and stickers. Check that out, click right up here. Alright, now to get to the radiator, we're going to have to remove the whole grill. First thing we need to do is remove, there's some Phillips head screws right here, and right here on both sides. We're going to go ahead and remove those now. Alright, once you take those screws out, your bezel just pops out. And then you're going to need to take these two screws right here out. They're also Phillips. Alright, remove your side markers. You just got to remove those two Phillips screws right here. Undo the bulbs, pull it out. Once you do that to both sides, if you look on each side, you'll see a 10mm nut right here on a stud. And right here, you just need to remove those two. We're going to remove those now. Alright, next thing we're going to do, undo your radiator, unbolt your two bolts. I mean, not your radiator, but your fan. Get it out of your way. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 10mm bolts across the top right here. We're going to take those off. Once you get those off, oh, I forgot about these ones. There's one right here and one right here. I forgot all about these, so you gotta take these off. Alright, so the ones across the top, don't forget about the ones right here. And then there's ones in the front, on the bottom underneath the headlights. And then work it. Have to work your bulbs through, undo your headlights, which I'm probably just going to undo one side. Get this out. Unplug that. It has to unscrew. Pull it. Alright, we're going to lay this to the side right here. Just out of the way. So we can get to the radiator right here. And, ooh, that's a crack. If it goes all the way down, you can look straight down there, you can see. Alright, let's get some JB Weld and see what we can do, see if it works.
Okay, now we're about to JB Weld it, and it says it sets in 4 to 6 hours, but then it also says it cures in 24, so that pretty much means you gotta wait 24 hours to drive it. So let's get it mixed up and see if we can fix the problem. Just take that and a little nipple right there, it'll pop it. Put a good heaping helping.
Mix them equally.
Get that white and black going on. Alright, and then what I like to do is just find a stick on the ground, because it's going to ruin whatever you touch with it. And then just stir to your heart's content. Or till you get the gunmetal color.
That gray going on.
I'm over here stuttering. Stuttering. Alright. Cameraman, can I get right
Yeah,
here?
let me get a better view. Alright, the crack goes along, you guys probably can't see, but right here, it follows actually that factory seam all the way down. I don't know why it's not focusing here, guys. Alright, so it says to apply like an even coat, like he said. Before you handle it, wait 4 to 6 hours, and then wait 14 to 24, but pretty much wait 24 hours before you start the truck or anything. So we will have to finish this video tomorrow.
Tomorrow. We'll drive it tomorrow.
Like I said, guys, we are on the grind. We're about to pump out these videos. We're about to grow this channel up. So you can either be part of it or you can witness it. Either way, it's happening.
Alright, we're not sure or not if we have a crack right here underneath. But because we know this has taken some abuse from that battery right there, we're going to give it some extra support.
Guy's like an artist over here. Look at that.
Well, you got to get that hose back on.
You guys should see him with a hammer.
Fix anything with a hammer.
Fix anything with a hammer. Oh, my bad.
Well, it's your truck. It doesn't matter to me. Alright, now that we've got that tucked in there real nice. Alright, now should we try to fix this other problem that we got?
Yeah, let's try to fix it. So also, the battery knocked a hole in the condensing line when it knocked it into the fan. So we're gonna see if JB Weld will fix this. This just might just be we might just throw the welder away, man.
Yeah. Well, just throw it away.
We should literally.
We should JB Weld the truss on.
Yeah, or make our own track bars and JB Weld them.
I think.
And then hit the interstate. What do you think?
I think it'll work.
I think it'll work. It says strongest ever on the package. They can't lie.
Yeah, but what is it the strongest ever of?
I don't know. That's beautiful, man. It's freaking beautiful.
Alright. See if we can get a little more in here just to help keep that hole plugged. Hopefully have that refrigerant running wild and free in there.
Wild and free. So we'll recharge this and we'll fill it back up with water and put this piece of shit back together tomorrow. And we got some awesome videos coming up for you guys that we'll probably be filming tomorrow also. Also,
if it's not flooding.
If it's not flooding, which it probably will be.
Womp, womp.
Doo, doo, doo. So we'll check back in with you guys tomorrow.
Okay, it's the next day. We've let the JB Weld dry and cure overnight, so now we're gonna put it back together and see what it does.
As you can see, It did not hold. So the crack was probably either too bad woo. But we got it up to normal running temperature. Everything looked good for a second. And then fuck. Alright guys, so as you can see, that failed miserably.
Failed.
But we've had that work before. I guess the crack was just too much. I don't know.
It cracked under pressure.
It cracked under the pressure. Anyway, hope this video helps you out. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. If you got a small crack, I would say. I have seen this work before, so I'm actually kind of surprised it didn't work. But tune in next week when we install another radiator.